Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. I'm here with yet another healthy, easy recipe. This is sprouted moong beans, which is high in fibers and it is plant-based protein, nutrient-rich, healthy salad recipe. Let's get started and let me show you how I made it. Wash and soak 1 cup of whole green moong overnight in about 3 cups of water. Drain the water, wash thoroughly and keep it in the sprout maker in the oven for a day. And here is the result next day afternoon. Look at this beautiful, refreshing, nutrient dense sprouts. I have also soaked raw peanuts for a few hours. And look at the sprouts coming out from that sprout maker. Sprouted moong beans are a great source of fiber and great antioxidant. It builds immunity, it's great for our gut health, and most importantly, it helps in our weight management. You can eat it as is in a raw condition, or you can blanch it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, as I said before, I have soaked the raw peanuts in the same water for about 3 hours now, and just let's get started with assembling our sprouted moong salad. Alright, so for this sprouted moong salad, we have these sprouted moong, bell pepper, sweet potato, mint, beetroot, peanuts, and some onion. You can add carrot, cucumber, avocado, pomegranate, strawberries, pear. Anyway, let's get to salad dressing. I have added olive oil, black pepper powder, red chili flakes, salt, honey, and lemon juice. And we will top it up with our chatpata chaat masala. So let's mix it well. Sweet potato I have boiled for 10 minutes, peeled it and then cut it. Same with beetroot. I have peeled it and boiled it for about 10-15 minutes. I just took a bowl full of mixed fruits and vegetables and sprouts and just going to top it up with the yummy salad dressing. Chaat masala. And top it up with some fresh mint and chaat masala. Here is our healthy sprouted moong salad. Enjoy this protein-rich salad recipe, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other recipes on my channel and share your feedback. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. I just added some twist in it. I have some marinated chicken. I just sauteed it for 2 minutes, and then after it's cooked thoroughly, I just mixed it well. So it's like a whole complete meal for us. So I hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home and let me know your feedback. Thank you again. Bye for now.